Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. We help folks with multiple years of unfiled tax returns, many of whom the IRS has filed a substitute for return or SFR against them. Dave has a question about that. He's wondering if the IRS has filed an SFR against you and then you want to file a return to protest that SFR. Should you use the good old Form 1040, individual income tax return, or should you use the 1040X, which is the amended individual income tax return? Dave, don't overthink it. Answer is very simple. You use the 1040. And that's because this is in fact an original tax return that you're filing, and obviously an amended return, the 1040X, is for when you have already filed a tax return, and now you want to amend, aka change it. Okay, so in order to protest an SFR filing by the IRS, you just use the good old Form 1040. And of course, this is assuming we're talking about an individual SFR filing here. The IRS can do SFR filings for businesses, right? So say payroll, they can do SFRs for 940s and 941s. And oh, there's a coyote. I don't know if you made it on this. Oh, there he is. Yes, you use the original tax form to replace an SFR.